Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, very welcome. Today I'd like to share a dynamic and fluid flow that focuses on the whole body. Without further ado, let's get started in a seated position and let's just close the eyes for a couple of moments and let's take an inhalation through the nose and exhale. One more time, breathing on your own rhythm. Inhale and exhale. Now gently open your eyes, put your right fingertips on the right side, lift your left arm up, lengthen, and then side bend to your right. Stay here for one more breath. Inhale, exhale. And let's swap sides, going to the other direction. Inhaling, lifting the arm up, side bend. Coming back into the center, let's do spine twist to one direction. Spine twist to the other direction. Come back into the center, interlace your fingers, and now let's roll the wrists to one direction, warming up our wrists to the other direction. And then shake your hands. And now whenever you're ready, let's meet into the front of your mat, standing. Standing on your left foot with inhalation, let's lift the right knee up and arms up. Inhale, lengthen, and with the exhalation, warrior three. Now we transition back into the beginning, so with the inhalation, you bring the right knee up and arms up, and on your exhalation, the right foot goes back. Let's continue 3 more times on your own rhythm, harmonizing the movement with the breath. Then whenever you're ready, let's lower your right foot back behind you. And with inhalation, lift the arms up. Let's extend your front leg. And then with the exhalation, bend your arms, bend the front leg. Let's repeat a couple of times. Once again, harmonizing the movement with the breath. And remembering this fluid movement, I like to imagine that there is almost like a water or honey in the air, and I'm moving through that water or honey. So there is slight resistance. Next time you bend your front knee, let's lower your right hand down. And then we meet in a spine twist. Inhale, lift the left arm up. Now the left hand wants to go towards the ground. We face the chest towards the mat. And then we lift it back up. A couple of more times. Then we will meet in a plank pose. Lower the left hand down and then bring your left foot back into a plank pose. Stay here wherever you are. I just move loopy to the side so I can lower myself down. Thank you, loopy. Take an inhalation. Maybe knees down, knees up. You decide, lowering yourself down. Untuck the toes, put the fingertips to the side. With inhalation, lift the chest, lift the shoulders. And then exhale, lower the chest down. Few more with inhalation. You lift the upper body slightly. Exhalation, lower. Continue a few more times. Now put the hands underneath your shoulders. Let's meet in a downward looking dog. Let's bring your left foot up towards the sky and then left knee to touch your right elbow. Bring your left leg back up, left knee to touch your left elbow. Bring your left leg back up and now fall in triangle. Left foot goes in between your right hand, right foot. Let's open up the right arm up towards the sky. Now we sit back down and then lifting the left arm up. Lower the left hand, lift the right arm, lift the hips up. Beautiful. Few more times. And now when you lower the left hand, lift the hips, lower the right hand back down. And now we transition into a downward looking dog with the left leg up towards the sky. Then the left foot goes into the front, the right foot follows. Bend the knees with inhalation, sweep the arms up towards the sky. Exhale, arms by the side of your body. Stay where you are, I just swap sides. Now with inhalation, standing on your right foot, lifting the left knee up, and then arms up as well. Inhale first. Exhale, warrior three. And let's continue like that. With your inhalation, you lift the knee. Your exhalation, you go into the warrior three. Maybe once again, remembering this water quality, as if we're moving through water. Or through honey. One more, left leg goes back, then left foot into the back of the mat. Inhale, arms reach up. Now extend your right leg, and then with the exhalation, bend the arms, bend the front leg. Let's continue a couple of more times like that. So there is no end goal. We are exploring the transitions, moving from one pose to the other. Then let's lower your left hand down, lift your right arm up towards the sky. Inhalation first. And on the exhalation, right hand wants to touch the ground, chest is facing the mat. And then inhale, lift the right arm back up. Couple of more times, moving with your breath. Last time, lengthen. Right hand back, plank pose. Stay over here. Inhalation first, doing very well. And then exhale, lower the body down. And now let's extend the arms in front of you. Lift the arms, lift the feet. Inhale first. And on the exhalation, bend the arms, elbows towards the ribs. Let's continue a couple of more times. Then lower the hands down, downward looking dog. Let's lift the right leg up towards the sky. Right knee to touch your left elbow. Right leg back up. Right knee to touch your right elbow. right leg back up. And now fall in triangle, right foot in between the left hand, left foot, inhale, left arm reaches up. On the exhalation, we slowly lower the hips down, lifting the right arm up. And then going back to lift the hips up. Let's continue a couple of more times. Doing very well. Remember that you're breathing. And last time we lift the hips, lower the left hand. Now the right foot goes up. And then right foot into the front of the mat. Left foot follows. Bend the knees slightly with inhalation, sweeping the arms up towards the sky. Exhale, arms by the side of your body. Let's roll the shoulders up, back and down a few times. Exhale everything out. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, straight back. Maybe hands on your thighs. Exhale, hands down. Let's meet in a tabletop position for our transition. And then puppy pose, melting heart. Extend the arms in front of you, stretching your armpits. Lowering maybe your forehead down on the ground. Feel the inhalation. Feel your exhalations. Now slowly sit back down onto your heels. And then put your hands maybe on top of your thighs, close the eyes. And feeling the body, feeling the breath. Checking in with yourself how you're feeling in this moment. Take one more inhalation. And on the exhalation, gently open your eyes if you had your eyes closed. So we are finished with today's practice. I hope it felt good. As always, leave a comment down below with any insights, discoveries, how the session went for you. And I will see you very soon for another yoga session here on my YouTube channel.